This is a review of the Noctua NF F12 Chromax black fans, 120 millimeter. It comes with these grommets, these rubber grommets that help dampen the sound. After 1 year of use, this is what you expect from the sound quality. Now, my case is open for this purpose. This is a Noctua tower, CPU tower fan. It comes with one of them already. So I bought an additional one, which is this one I'm talking about. And here you can look at it. And this is the idle speed. I set my fan speeds to be very conservative with idle. So it's not too loud, and this is both the same fans, and it's been doing the job so far for 1 year in. CPU temps have been very good, nothing high, and very solid. Let's listen to it one more time. Now let's stand away and see what it sounds like. These Noctua fans have definitely done a great job of keeping the PC tower pretty quiet for the most part. Unless you're trying to really listen into the PC tower, you might hear the noise, but if I'm browsing on the internet sitting next to my PC tower and just doing idle speed temps, no problems.